was very important. So that's what we are saying, that in coordinate geometry, children, we deal with finding out the location of a point, that is locating a point, or defining a point. Okay, either they will tell you the address, you have to go and reach the address, or you have to go to the place and find out its address. Correct time? Till here, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Locating a point.
Yes.
Now children, if you might have, I feel that, or I think that you all have seen the movie Uri. Has every one of us seen the movie Uri?
Yes, sir.
The surgical
Yes,
strike?
sir.
Yes. So it was the
Yes.
surgical strike that we had done on whom?
Pakistan.
No.
Terrorist.
Terrorist.
Right.
Terrorist.
Right. It was not an air attack. It was not a surgical strike on Pakistan. It was a surgical strike on the terrorists who were hidden in Pakistan. Now see, here the coordinate geometry comes into picture. What coordinate geometry comes into picture? With the help of satellites, with the help of advanced GPS, that is global positioning system, finding out the positions, finding out the exact locations. We knew it pinpoint where the terrorists are hiding. Exact location हमको पता थी, यहाँ पे ही है. I'm sorry, I got this. Yes, I got disconnected. Am I audible now?
Yes.
So we knew the exact positions, exact locations of each and every camp, each and every tent of the terrorists, and we attacked exactly pinpoint. एक भी गलती नहीं, ना एक सेंटीमीटर इधर ना एक सेंटीमीटर उधर, from a distance. Means first thing, we had the technology to locate the points. Second thing, we had still better technology to target, to hit the required aim. Matlab, it is a gun, it is a robot, it is a machine. Okay, it will never make any mistake. So we took exactly the same advantage. We gave codings, we gave an exact address to the machine, to the bullet, to the bombs in our missiles, that this is the location, x coordinate, y coordinate, and then there would be a z coordinate, because when you deal in real life, there is a this world is a three-dimensional world. So we gave the exact locations, that is the x coordinate, y coordinate, and z coordinate, and the missile, the bombs, the bullets went and fired at the exact location. Jahan chahiye wahi pe gira. Within 10 hours, they completed the surgical strike and they were back. They were back home safe. All thanks to this coordinate geometry. Such an important aspect is coordinate geometry. Such an important discovery it was. Such an helpful thing. Today, yes. Somebody, I don't know what's happening. It's automatically getting disconnected. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whatever I spoke, everything was audible as long as I was in the meeting before I got disconnected.
Yes.
Right. So that is what the advantage of coordinate geometry is. Such a unique, easy, but useful system. Again, today you know that we have reached Mars. Mars is another planet altogether. Children, it's such a big thing that India is one of the countries who has reached Mars. Mars, that too in the first attempt, that too in the lowest possible cost. Mission Mangal, you know that. We are planning Chandrayaan. We are planning to go to the moon. Now again, why could we reach Mars? Why could we reach? Matlab, when can you reach the destination? When you know the destination. We know the exact position of Mars in the universe. See, universe is such a big universe. We are nothing in front of the universe. Negligible than the negligible. You think in PK movie that Amir Khan का dialogue is there. See, ये इत्तू सा छोटा सा गोला है और उस गोले के ऊपर तुम इत्तू सा छोटा सा है, तुम क्या वो भगवान का केयर करेगा जो सब जिसने ये सब पूरा जहान बनाया, right? So you see that this universe is so well managed, such a vast, huge universe, and in this huge universe, we know the exact position of the particular planet Mars from our planet. What is the distance? What is the position? And how should I go? So that I have to travel least possible path. I will require least possible fuel, least possible expenses, and I will reach Mars. This is what India has done, children. Again, all thanks to coordinate geometry, that is the positioning system. Such an important chapter is this. Do you realize the importance of this chapter now? When you're traveling via sea routes, those big cargos, 40,000, 50,000, 70,000 kgs, 70,000 tons, matlab 70,000 into 1,000. This much weight it carries from country to country, but it reaches exact. Now you tell me, in an ocean, is there any road? Is there any route? No. Then how will you find out? In the ocean, how do we find out how to go? Suppose from India I have left, and all the way I have to go and reach, say, I have to reach, say, Australia via the sea route. So to which direction should I go? How should I go? What is the exact position? How will I know? Again, all thanks to this coordinate geometry, complemented, helped by trigonometry. We do all these things. Such important things. And that is why, children, why I said even in your professional lives, this chapter is going to be, they are going to ask you in entrance exams, because this is what they expect. That can you, because see today nowadays everywhere there is a GPS, there is a global. आप कार में भी बैठते तो मोबाइल पे तुरंत डाल दोगे ड्राइविंग डायरेक्शंस टू so and so place, and that GPS will take you very easily. You don't even have to ask anybody. जो लोगों को पता नहीं है उतने शॉर्टकट्स तो GPS को पता है. People also don't know these ways, but the GPS will give you the shortest exact possible route. Coordinate system, coordinate geometry, everywhere this positioning. And that is why tomorrow when you will become a professional, that is what will be expected from you, whether you have this knowledge, whether you really understand how to locate different things. Because if you know those things, then only you will be able to work on those things. So that is the importance of this chapter. Are you understanding, children? Why are we going to study coordinate geometry? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Right. So this is such an important chapter, coordinate geometry. Okay. So yeah, now I'll stop my video. We'll continue with our part. So write down all of you. I guess this is chapter number 7. Is it chapter number 7?
Yes.
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 So write
Yes,
down the
sir.
heading, chapter number 7. And very important chapter, very important chapter. I really respect this chapter a lot, because yeah, it has done such a good thing to the human mankind. It has helped us. And yes, we know that it was introduced by whom? By whom was it introduced, children? Last year I have told you all these things.
Rene Descartes.
Rene Descartes. And so in to honor him, we have named it as Descartes ka plane. So Cartesian's plane, his plane it is. Plane means what? Not aeroplane, this plane. The plane wherein we have x-axis and y-axis, the coordinate axis. That is what we do have. So now we know the basics about all these things. Very quickly, what we will do? We will write it for ourselves. Not needed anywhere, but we are going to remind ourselves about all these things. So we will write in 2 or 3 or 4, 5 lines very quickly, and then we'll come to the actual point. So right now, start writing. We know that. We know that. What do we know? Coordinate geometry deals with the positioning and location and finding the locations. Of any given points. It consists of a Cartesian plane divided into what? Children, Cartesian plane
quadrants.
4 quadrants.
divided into 4 equal quadrants. Correct. Divided into 4 equal quadrants. By whom? By whom, children?
X and Y axis.
X and Y
Correct.
axis.
Correct. Two mutually perpendicular. Mutually means what? X is perpendicular to Y. Y is perpendicular to X. Mutually perpendicular axis. AX, ES is the plural form. We know that. Mutually perpendicular axis dash the X axis and the Y axis called as the coordinate axis. Every point is defined with the help of its coordinates. X coordinate. What is the other name for X coordinate? What is the other name? Are donkeys, abscissa. भूल गए? X coordinate, that is abscissa. That is distance along the X axis and away from Y axis. Remember, it's important. This point is very important. What is X coordinate and what is Y coordinate? X coordinate is distance along the X axis, but it is away from Y. Y axis pasun किती लांब? That is the X coordinate. Yes or no? How far away from X? How far away from Y axis is your X coordinate? And Y coordinate is what? How far away from X axis? Yes or no, children? Children, am I not audible? I'm sorry, today a lot of issues are there. Till where have you written?
And away from the Y axis.
Sir,
Okay.
I have
Just
written till into 4 equal quadrants.
into 4 equal quadrants. Acha. Later on, somebody will just post it on the group. What's happening? Somebody will just post it. I am writing it from here again. Arey, what's happening? Surana, X coordinate. What is the name of X coordinate? I said
Abscissa.
abscissa. X coordinate in brackets abscissa. Giriraj, you can do one thing. Leave 4 lines and start writing this. X coordinate abscissa. That is distance along the X axis, but what? Away from X coordinate means what? How much distance away from Y axis? Yes or no, children? Yes or no? Am I not audible?